My name is Jamie, and we're here in the Secret Garden at Dunes Learning Center. Our Secret Garden is a repurposed old tennis court, basketball court. You can see the basketball hoop in the background. But we have put in some planter boxes over the last, 4 or 5 years, and we have expanded. And we're just going to show you some of the different things that we have in our garden today. So I'm sitting next to some carrots. There's quite a bit in here. They might be a little too close together. So if you want to plant carrots at home, make sure you give them some room to grow. And we might have one ready. We've got a nice looking carrot. So we'll wash that up and cut it, maybe put it into a salad or just eat it plain. And then we'll go and look over at this bed where we have some spinach. Our spinach is nearing the end, but there's still some good leaves here. Spinach is a great, easy plant to have in the garden. Also great for salads. I really enjoy being in the garden. It's a nice stress reliever, whether you're at work in the garden or at home in the garden. Can have a garden pretty much anywhere. Out in the sun getting that vitamin D, but make sure you protect yourselves from the sun with either sunscreen or protective clothing. One more plant that I'm really excited about that's in the garden is our zucchini plant. I think zucchinis are great. They're nice and versatile. You can shred them up, put them in breads, put them in soups or chili, or you can leave them whole and just grill them or saute them. So we'll be doing these videos throughout the summer. Meet us back here occasionally on Fridays, maybe every other Friday or something, and we'll be going through different things that you can do with your garden. And next time we'll be talking about how to have a successful garden. Bye!